Hello, dosto. Welcome to the Bollywood Talk Show on IWM Buzz. Back once again with another interesting episode. Back once again with another interesting set of guests out here. I love their smile. I love the content that they're coming with. You know, love is a very beautiful feeling. We talk about it every day in every different forms. But आज मैं कुछ नहीं बोलने वाला हूँ. I have the lovely cast of Meenakshi Sundareshwar over here. Vivek sir, Abhimanyu the man, the he-man, Sania the beautiful, talented lady. Thank you so much for being over here. Let's give each other a high five. So, Suvele.
Thank you so much for such a wonderful
Lovely.
introduction.
You deserve it. You deserve it. You know, before moving to the cast, I would love. सबसे पहले I'll start with Vivek sir because first thing is that I'm getting introduced to him for the first time. And sir, you are the creator, so the creator deserves सबसे ज़्यादा respect. Now, of course, Sania has been doing a lot of work actively in the recent past. But Abhimanyu ke liye, it's been a nice break, I would say, because it's quite interesting. You know, the kind of what he did during Marth Ko Dard Nahi Hota compared to from that to now, I think it's been quite interesting. Tell us a bit about Abhimanyu's casting regarding how you felt ki हाँ Sania के साथ the project would go really well if I have Abhimanyu on board.
Okay, yeah. So regarding Abhimanyu's casting is what you're saying, no?
Yeah.
I mean,
yes.
he fits the part really well, to be very honest with you, and he's a wonderful actor. So
Yes.
why not? Matlab, yeah, these were the two reasons actually, you know.
क्या बात?
And
Simple and easy.
Yeah.
Nice, nice, nice. But you know, Abhimanyu, सबसे पहले I'll start with you over here. You know, I saw you during Marth Ko Dard Nahi Hota. That was a different kind of project. A lot of action, lot of excitement, lot of energy that your character needed over there. Here, I would say it's a lot more simple. थोड़ा calm है, थोड़ा शांत है. Of course, we are yet to see the project, but in otherwise, you know, that's quite the vibe that we get from the trailer. How different was it in terms of what you have done before in Marth Ko Dard Nahi Hota, and how similar is it to your real life personality?
I mean, from Marth Ko Dard Nahi Hota, it's about a 180-degree shift.
Yes.
So exploring that, learning, and taking up this challenge was amazing. And Vivek just held my hand through the whole process of getting into the character with a lot of readings, a lot of visual representation, different arts that he showed. So बहुत मजा आया यार to break down everything about Surya and to get into Sundar, you know, makes that Sundar. So
Surya से सुंदर, बहुत सुंदर, क्या बात है?
So that process.
Ati Sundar.
Ati सुंदर, ati सुंदर. Love it. But you know, Sania, there are some. You're saying something. I think your voice is.
I'm done.
You're done. Okay. Sania, you know, as far as the trailer is concerned, you know, there are some really interesting dialogues. You know, I think यहाँ पे there's one dialogue where he says that, you know, मैंने engineering किया है, तो engineers are good husbands. So do you in reality feel that the profession of a man actually helps in making him a better partner in terms of a boyfriend or say a husband? Do you feel that in real life?
Unless he's an actor.
Unless he's an actor. Condition उन्होंने बता दिया पहले.
A very tough question because I have बहुत ही कम experience.
Yeah.
But I don't know, like if we talk about Meenakshi Sundareshwar, then Sundareshwar is definitely a wonderful husband and good at his job too.
Yeah, yeah.
पता नहीं. I'll have to date an engineer to know whether they are good boyfriends or not.
क्या बात है, ये इंटरव्यू जब लोग देखेंगे exactly comment section पे बढ़ने वाला है वो. That is what I'm going to be talking about.
बायोडेटा भेज सकते हैं.
Sania is looking for it. Sania is looking for it. How nice. But Vivek sir, you know, of course the trailer is very sweet. It's about two people, you know, different people coming together, different maybe cultural backgrounds as well to some extent, different beliefs, and then suddenly ये जो long distance का जो ये फंडा है that comes. Now, I don't know how it used to work out, say, maybe 30 years or 40 years back, but at least now, we have seen so many relationships stay in real life, maybe celebrities or in general, you know, breaking because of this long distance thing. As a director, as the main visionary, what do you feel is the basic reason behind which long distance relationships don't tend to last really long?
communication basically, which is a very crucial
Yeah.
aspect of any relationship, especially in a long distance relationship, because of course at times if you're in different country, then time zones are different. If you're in the same country, then maybe at times when, let's say, she's busy, he's not, and if he's doing something, she's not. So I mean, so if you keep the communication proper, then at least the other person won't assume things, which we tend to at times.
Very important.
So just keep the communication clear. Correct. Because हम सोचते बहुत है ना, suddenly पहला thought हमेशा negative आता है, फिर उसको negate किया तो फिर से अरे इतना हो गया उतना हो गया, फिर बाद में ego आने लगता है कि यार मैंने तो ऐसे किया था, उसने ऐसे नहीं किया, and stuff like that. Insecurities, मतलब it all kind of stems out of miscommunication. So keep the communication clear, sorted.
Absolutely. So that is it. Abhimanyu, एक चीज मुझे आप बताओ please. I really want to know your psyche behind this. When March ko dard nahi hota ki, I think it was 2020 March, if I'm not wrong. 19 March, I'm sorry, 19 March. So that's been the time. Us time pe, of course, you were getting a lot of critical acclaim. People were appreciating your friends, family, etc., everyone. Cut to now, it's been a long time. Throughout this period of, say, 2 years, as an actor, as a performing artist, were there any moments when you felt, like maybe some kind of self-doubts you had, which you had to deal with, and come hard at your own task and job? Aisa kabhi kuch low moment hua when you felt like probably things are not happening right?
No, it's a part and parcel of who you are as a person, and
yes,
it's also a part of the winning mentality to always question yourself if you're working hard enough or not.
Absolutely.
Winners always wonder if they're working hard enough. Losers always. You've heard that saying, right?
Yeah.
So I keep trying to evolve, learning from everyone that I've worked with. I've had an amazing opportunity to work with directors like Vivek, actors like Sanya, Paresh Rawal, Sharman Joshi sir, Abhishek Banerjee, Divya Datta. Just so much to learn. Vijay Raj sir. It's been amazing to grow through these years, and I got to keep improving myself and work harder on myself every day.
Touch wood, hopefully that will happen. Many more success in the future as well for you, brother. But Sanya, you have worked with him. Abhimanyu is a good guy. Jitna mujhe pata hai, jitna maine dekha, he's a very nice, sweet guy. You have worked with him throughout this entire project. How has he been like when it comes to bonding as an individual? Because I think wo jo ek, off-screen jo ek fun rehta hai na, that is very important when you guys are playing. I mean, especially when you have not worked in the past. So, you don't really have much of a time when it comes to breaking the ice. If at all, you have to break the ice. So what was it like with him?
Sundar is beautiful. He is an amazing actor, and you see it from his first film to now. You see, like, Sundar is quite reticent and shy, and Surya was full of energy and action. So you see how brilliant he is as an actor, and the range that he has that he has portrayed in these two films. Then Meenakshi Sundareshwar, I knew him through Radhika because they have worked together.
Yes.
मतलब हमने बहुत बारी चिल किया है ये फिल्म साइन होने से पहले भी. So on set it used to be fun. There was actually we were talking about this अभी एक interview पहले कि there was actually a distance between us as actors too, क्योंकि there were scenes which we did without each other. जिसमें हम एक दूसरे को कॉल कर रहे हैं या वीडियो कॉल कर रहे हैं, so there was actually a lot of distance between sorry
no problem please continue.
तो पर वो बहुत amazing था, मतलब the whole experience of working with him was very smooth. So all the scenes that we have together are very special whenever we used to get together as actors too. So it was a special thing for our characters and actors क्योंकि वो distance मिट जाता था.
How sweet is that? Vivek sir, of course this is a story about two people who belong from the southern part of the country. We know that these people have a certain accent, which we always talk about, and it's beautiful. Of course, the natural accent is going to be coming. But at the same time, as a visionary, as a director, you want to ensure probably that it doesn't look caricaturish with what people have probably done in the past. So how did you ensure that it doesn't happen with these two?
So जब हम start कर रहे थे उससे पहले ही we had when I was writing with my co-writer Arsh, we had this thing in our mind that in terms of how we want to pitch it, so it was always I mean this is what we had in our mind, that it's a Hindi film set in Tamil Nadu, right? So we don't want to, in a way, I mean, so now, of course, there are two possibilities in that scenario. Either you keep the whole film in Tamil, then it will become a regional film. Then you do on-off, and then you put an accent and all, then it looks stereotype, So then, I mean, so then what, even when I met Sania and Abhimanyu, I told them very clearly, look, it's a Hindi film set in Tamil Nadu. So we'll not have accent in terms of whatever, saying the dialogues and stuff like that. So it's a Hindi film, we're talking Hindi, but of course there will be Tamil for the flavor's sake. और जहाँ भी Tamil आएगी, proper Tamil आएगी, otherwise जहाँ हिंदी है, खालिद हिंदी है. So all three of us worked in that way, and that's what we had decided before we started working on the project.
Yeah. So basically, I think the thought process was very clear, and you all were on the same page. So that has definitely helped. One last question, parting question, because I think we have limited time. मुझे जाना भी पड़ेगा. आप लोगों को भी, you have your own set of interviews after that. One last question, same question for both Abhimanyu and you. That would be that, at the end of the day, जितना मुझे vibe पता चला from the trailer, it teaches a lot about communication, probably between, as you mentioned, long distance relationships, marriages, कुछ भी हो. It is a real struggle in today's time, especially when you have, say, so many dating apps like, Tinder, vagera, and all that. There are so many options. So as an individual, as a person who's probably in a committed relationship, how does he or she, in whatever forms of relationship they are, ensure that even if we are going long distance, let's try and make it work? How do they do that? Abhimanyu and Sania, this is for you. Who would you want to start with?
I mean, since there are so many opportunities of apps, you said, dating apps, but there are as many opportunities to stay connected. You have Skype, you have FaceTime, you have House Party and whatnot to continuously stay in touch with each other. And I feel the most important thing would be being honest to yourself and your feelings, and then be respectful and honest to your partner's feelings. Treat them the same way that you want to be treated.
Very important.
You will get that in return.
How sweet. Sania, what would you want to add to that?
I think I totally agree with Abhimanyu on this. And for people watching our film, I think Meenakshi Sundareshwar definitely are going to inspire a lot of couples who are in a similar situation. And even if they're not in a long distance, they will definitely learn a few things about
अगर आगे जाके कभी रहना पड़े तो अगर आगे जाके कभी long distance पे रहना पड़े, then they can of course take cues. But thank you so much, guys.
They just have to go to Netflix and watch our film.
Watch Meenakshi Sundareshwar. Simple as that. Entertainment and at the same time information. But thank you guys for joining me. It's a pleasure. I am very delighted to connect with you all virtually again. All the best to you all for everything that you do in the future. All the best. Lots of love and good wishes. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Pleasure.
Bye.
Thank you.